For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
US President Donald Trump announced new policies which were aimed at lowering prescription drug prices under Medicare by linking them to rates paid in other countries and allowing Americans to buy medication imported from Canada. The changes are included in executive orders that come as Trump seeks to repair his standing on healthcare issues, particularly with senior voters. President Donald Trump acknowledged in an interview released Friday that he's often had regrets about his tweets. Trump in an interview said it's not like the old days when people wrote a letter and let it sit for a day before sending it, giving them time to reconsider. US President Donald Trump's former personal lawyer Michael Cohen left prison to finish his criminal sentence at home a day after a judge found he was sent back behind bars 2 weeks ago as retaliation for plans to publish a book about Trump. Cohen returned to prison on July 9th after being furloughed in May because of concerns about the spread of COVID-19. The United States President Donald Trump has once again targeted the Black Lives Matter protests, this time blaming them for the rise in number of COVID-19 cases. The US on Thursday passed a total of more than 4 million COVID-19 infections, and according to Trump, the cases started to rise after the demonstration. Top infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci, who is also a part of the COVID-19 task force in the White House, said that he shares a very good relationship with US President Donald Trump. Fauci has been at the receiving end for making comments on the surge of the COVID-19 cases in the USA. UK private sector business activity grew at the fastest pace in 5 years this month as the easing of the lockdown brought the economy back to life after the sharpest contraction in modern history. During April, May and June, the economy returned to growth in July as pent-up demand from customers and business customers led to a jump in sales and began to fill order books. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has conceded that there were certain things that the country could have done differently over COVID-19 and admitted the government did not understand the virus in the first few weeks and months. UK currently has nearly 3 lakh COVID-19 cases and over 45,000 people have succumbed to the deadly disease. Boris Johnson warned the UK will still be dealing with the coronavirus pandemic in mid-2021 and said his government is preparing for a second wave of infections over the winter months. Ministers outlined plans to widen the normal winter vaccination program, doubling those eligible for free injections, as it seeks to minimize pressure on hospitals if coronavirus and flu outbreaks occur at the same time. Health experts have warned that Spain could see a second wave of infections in the coming months. Spain was home to one of Europe's worst COVID-19 outbreaks, experiencing over 270,000 cases and over 28,000 deaths since January. The country also had the world's highest reported rate of COVID-19 infection for doctors and nurses.